The responsibility to heal our fractured world lies not only with governments and international organizations, it lies with each of us. We need leaders and policymakers who see health not as a cost to be contained, but an investment to be nurtured in security, stability, and economic prosperity. We need scientists, researchers, and health professionals not only to do their vital work, but to communicate it with courage and clarity. Stand for what you believe. That's a message to all researchers and academia. And we need citizens to raise their voices for equity and justice. Demand that your leaders invest in health, not as a privilege, but as a fundamental human right for every human being everywhere.